Vhuendi unototsitsikana choṱhe magondoni umona na shango pala kha gondo lihulwane la N1 line la livha vunḓuni la Limpopo hune yavha tsini na tollgate ya Kranskop nahone ho tsitsikana vhukuma fhedzi upfa zwinzhi ri na ramafhungo wa SABC Mafhungo Komane. Mafhungo ndi madekwana ri khou ni ṱanganedza kha mafhungo a Tshivenḓa fhano kha SABC 2.
Toll gate that is after the Kranskop Plaza. At a certain point, traffic officials had decided to open the gates. So basically, it was literally a free ride for drivers as they were able to make their way through that particular toll gate without having to pay because the traffic was just so much. There was so much congestion. Traffic officials in the province are telling us they're seeing about 1,600, 1,700 cars that are passing between these two toll gates in Waterberg, which would be your Nail Plaza, a few kilometers away from here, as well as the Kranskop Plaza. Unati, let me just step out of shot just to show you what is it that we are seeing here. What is also happening here, as you can see, Unati, all gates have been opened, as many as they could possibly open, and I think there's about 2 gates that are open for traffic coming from Polokwane heading towards Gauteng. You can see it's really packed here. Kilometers of traffic in terms of commuters making their way to their various destinations. As well as we know, today being Friday, of course, a lot of people having knocked off, looking forward to Christmas on Sunday. So it really does get busy here. And as I'm sure you've also heard from my colleague, Lutendo Pobodi, that it's also quite busy at the Messina, at Bait Bridge in Messina. This is one of the roads that leads towards Messina. But we're also told by traffic officials in the province that, the border gate as well in the border gate, Groblersbrug, that goes to Botswana is also quite congested with about 8 kilometers of traffic from the border gate leading into, from the road leading into into Groblersbrug. So it's quite a busy season in terms of commuters in this particular province. As you can see, the N1 North quite busy today. Unati, a lot of drivers obviously having to exercise caution, and we have heard those messages from traffic officials saying that drivers should take time to rest when they are fatigued. Speeding obviously is not encouraged as well, but you can also see as you drive, as we were driving towards Kranskop was a lot of traffic officials were there saying that they won't be tolerating any speed. Drivers are encouraged obviously to be courteous on the road and to obviously obey the rules of the road. In terms of what it's looking like in terms of fatalities and so forth, we are waiting to get that official word from traffic officials as to what is it. We did see quite a number of ambulances as we were parked here, Unati, making their way towards the N1 South. So I'm assuming there is something that is happening in that particular direction. But, Unati, we will be here and we'll be bringing you more of what is happening on the N1 heading towards in the Limpopo province, rather.
Matina uyo ndi mushumisani na Rene Mafhungo Komane ane avange badani khulwane ya N1 uri va vunḓuni la Limpopo ngange toll gate ya Kranskop ukhamba uri vhuendi tsitsikana vhukuma umwe toll gate yo to vuliwa vha si tsha ita zwo badelisa uri vha kone u langa vhuendi sa izwi ovha una miduba mihulwane ukhamba uri zwa zwino vhaofisiri vha zwa vhuendi a vhathu amba uri vha vhathu vhangana dzi badani kana tshiimo tsha dzikhombo tsho ima nga nḓila ḓe sa izwi vha tshi kha ḓi thoma vha dzudzanya muvhigo wonoyo ari zwihulwane ndi zwa uri a vha nga ḓo konḓelela vhareili vhane vha ḓo vha khou reila nga u sa konḓelela badani na uri vhareili kha vha tshimbile vha thome vha awele musi vha tshi khou fara nyendo dzavho khulwane nga u pfufhifhadza ndi zwone zwo Mafhungo Komane a vha khou amba zwone.